Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Nmap. Okay, so Nmap is a very popular tool. It is basically used for pen testing purposes. So right now I'm using Ubuntu 16.04, but I think it will be valid for Ubuntu 17.04 also and for 14.04 also. I mean the latest versions. So the easiest method to install Nmap is just open your terminal in your Ubuntu box, do a sudo apt-get update, and it will ask for a password. Give the password. Okay, let it get updated. Okay, it can take some time in your case, so let it get complete. Okay, after this is done, just do a sudo apt-get install nmap simply. Okay, in my case I have already downloaded nmap, but you don't need to do anything fancy here. Just write this command sudo apt-get install nmap, and this will download the newest version according to Ubuntu repositories. Okay, you won't could get the bleeding edge. I mean the latest edition. I think the latest version is 7.6 actually. The latest version for nmap as of now is 7.6. So if you do need the latest version, you can just compile it from the source code distribution. Okay, I will be mentioning the links in the description afterwards. And this is the easiest method to download in Ubuntu and also in any of the Debian versions. If you are using Red Hat or Fedora, something like that, which use the .rpm files, then you can download the latest stable release from here. Okay, and in case of Mac, you can get the DMG file also. Okay. These are very easy to install. There is nothing fancy to do here. Now in case of Windows also, you can just download the exe files. Okay, now since you have downloaded nmap, now to check for nmap if it has been downloaded and installed correct, if it has been installed correctly, just type nmap and hit enter. It will show you the different options actually. Okay, you can see the different options here. This is the version which has been installed, that is 7.01. okay, and this is the usage type, nmap scan type options and target specification. These are all the options. Okay, you can read all the options from the official site of nmap and how to use them also. It has been described here, I mean in great depth actually. Okay, and in windows also you can just download the exe file, and I have already downloaded the exe file. And as you must be knowing, just run this exe file. Okay, and the easiest way is not to do anything different and just do the next, and it will then install itself. Okay, so this is going. Nmap is actually mainly used by pen testers, and it's a very great tool for security. It works as a security scanner, as a network scanner actually. It can tell you which ports are open, which are closed, and it helps greatly. Okay, in case of pen testing. Now it's taking some time, so I will tell you some more things. Now nmap has also been shown in movies also. I think you must have seen the movie The Matrix and everything. Wait, let me show you some cool stuffs. See, this is where Trinity is using nmap, okay, to hack into the city services and everything. And so nmap has a whole lot of, they are showing in which movies nmap has been used and everything. Okay, so it has been used in many movies because nmap is actually like a hacker stuff. When you will use it, you will definitely understand why I'm saying so. So just to agree, install, don't need to do anything fancy here. okay. Okay, let it do the work till then. Okay, till then I will show you some more things. This is the official site for Nmap, that is nmap.org. Okay, see, 7.60 is now available. This is the latest version as of now, latest version, and this is the whole thing. And if you want to read about the commands and everything, I think, yeah, here you can read everything about the command in the Nmap reference guide actually. Okay, I will put it in the links below actually. So let me see if it has been downloaded. Next, finish. Actually that one came with Nmap, so it took some time. Next, finish. I think it has been installed. Here is Nmap. Okay, so Zenmap is actually Zenmap is actually the graphical tool for Nmap. I mean, here you can also do the same things, but as you can see, when I'm using Nmap in Ubuntu, I'm using it from the command line. I'm using it from the command line, and I can do scan of any type on anything. I mean, if I want to do a stealth scan on Google, okay. Sometimes Nmap also some scans will require root privileges, so you just need to do sudo and it will then start the scan. So here I am using Nmap through the command line. Okay, now in Windows, the best way I think will be to use Zenmap, because here you can choose the what type of scan you require, UDP, TCP and everything. Okay, I will make a separate video on Zenmap later on how to install Zenmap, but just I wanted to show you that installing Nmap in any OS is really easy, and Nmap is a fantastic tool if you are starting as a beginner. I think you should try Nmap, because you don't have to do anything really hard or something like that. It's very easy to install and everything. So after that, I think I will be making many more videos on how to install different things. I think if you're interested in or having difficulties in installing something, then let me know in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to make a short video on that. Until then, hit like, share and subscribe if you like this video, if it was helpful for you. Okay, so goodbye.